In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize an EA in MetaTrader 5 Strategy Tester. We'll start by opening the Strategy Tester. In MetaTrader 5, press Ctrl+R or go to the View menu and choose Strategy Tester. This opens the testing panel where you'll set everything up, and it's the control center for everything from a single backtest to a full optimization. Next, select your expert advisor and the basic settings. Choose the EA you want to optimize, then pick the symbol and time frame you care about, like EURUSD on the H1 chart. Set a date range that matches your trading horizon. Longer historical periods generally produce more reliable results because they include different market conditions. Make sure your history is loaded and consistent so the test has enough data to work with. Now, enable optimization. In the Strategy Tester settings, check the optimization box. This switches the tester from running one set of inputs to automatically exploring many combinations. If you don't need to see every tick replayed on screen, keep visualization off to speed things up. Configure the input parameters you want to test. Go to the Inputs tab, tick the parameters you want optimized, and assign a start value, a step, and an end value. For example, you might sweep a stop loss from 20 to 100 in steps of 10. The finer your steps and the wider your ranges, the more combinations the tester will try, which increases the run time. Keep ranges realistic and focused on what actually matters for your strategy to avoid wasting time and overfitting. Choose an optimization method. Slow. Complete algorithm evaluates every combination and is the most precise, but it can be slow. Fast genetic algorithm uses a smart search to find strong candidates much faster, which is great when you have many parameters. If you need to evaluate performance across different instruments at once, you can enable all symbols in MarketWatch, but expect longer runs. Pick your optimization criterion to define what best means. You can maximize balance, profit factor, expected payoff, or Sharpe ratio, or minimize drawdown. There's also a custom option if your EA returns a value from its onTester function. Align the criterion with your goals, for example, minimizing drawdown if capital protection is your priority. Finally, click Start. MT5 will run multiple passes, testing parameter sets automatically. This can take minutes to hours, depending on your ranges and hardware. Watch progress in the results and agent sections. When it completes, sort the optimization results by your chosen criterion, and double-click a promising set to run a single backtest and inspect the report and equity curve. If runs are too slow, narrow your ranges or switch to the genetic algorithm. Aim for robust, sensible settings rather than chasing the single highest profit.